What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today is my first video of 2019. I haven't uploaded a video in like almost a week now, so I'm like, let me stop slacking and let me put some more videos out for y'all. And excuse my voice, I'm like really sick right now. I'm trying to get over this cold, but it is not working, so please pardon me. Basically, today I'm going to be showing y'all my YouTube setup. Some of y'all probably be wondering like what YouTubers rooms be looking like and like where they film at, what it looks like, how everything's set up, what lighting they use and all that good stuff, what camera they use. So in this video I'm going to be showing y'all all of that and just giving y'all a glimpse of what it's like, you know, behind like the camera, like literally the stuff that y'all don't see that's like right here and right here and right here. So if you're interested in seeing how I do all of that, how I film my videos, I'm going to tell you guys what apps I use to film my videos, to edit my videos, like what apps I use to edit my thumbnails, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right now before you leave this video. Hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos that I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video.
So I stop and I don't go, cause there's things that you don't show, and I just need to know. Do you ever start to think of me? Do you really wanna love me bad? Do you feel like you could be my man? Do you feel like, do you feel like this was meant to be? Do you really wanna have my back? Do you ever tell it straight like that? Do you feel like,
basically for my setup, and I'm going to show you guys actually, but I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about it. I film on my Canon T6i. I got that from Amazon. I'm going to link where I bought everything from, how much everything was. I'll try to link how much everything was if I can remember the prices of everything. But yeah, I use a Canon T6i. It has a screen that flips out so I can see myself. So like right now I'm looking at the lens and right now I'm looking at the viewfinder. So when you guys be seeing me looking over here and talking over here sometimes, it's kind of hard for me to focus on just the lens because I'm used to just looking at myself talk. So that's what I'll be looking at when I'm looking like right here. I have my ring light, which is right in front of the camera. The camera is facing, is basically facing the light. Well, the light is facing me and the camera is like sitting behind the light. So that's how I have my lighting on me. That's how you're able to see every detail that I'm doing when I'm doing my makeup and stuff like that. Or if I'm doing a hair video or whatever it is, that's how you're able to see so much detail in my videos because I have pretty good lighting. Then I also have two softbox lights which are right here on the side of me, and those also bring in really good light because if I didn't have those and only the ring light, it would be like a really big shadow behind me when I'm filming my videos if this was the only light that I had on me. Then behind me I have a whatever backdrop I chose for the day. Depending on what video I'm doing, I'll put up that kind of backdrop. Today I want things to just be pretty normal, so I put just a white one behind me. And it's not super white, it's like kind of transparent, and then I have like lights hanging up. I just hang them up randomly, not in no specific order. So I'm about to show you guys pretty much how the setup is and what everything looks like in here, and just show you guys a little bit around this room. So I'm going to switch to recording on my phone. So the quality of this video is going to go down a little bit, not too much, but bear with me, y'all. I didn't want to take the camera off because I want you guys to actually see like what the camera looks like while it's sitting where it's sitting at. So I'm going to switch to my phone in a little bit, and I'll be right back with you guys to show you guys everything. Okay, so basically this is, okay, hold on. Let me walk over here first and show y'all. So this is what you guys see. Like y'all see me like sitting right here in this chair, but what I see is all of this. This is what I be seeing. So these are the two softbox lights that I was talking about. They do come with like a covering, a white covering, but my light bulbs are getting kind of dull. Oh my god, excuse me, I can barely freaking breathe because I'm so sick. The light bulbs are getting kind of dull, so I took that off just to keep it as bright as I can until I get the new light bulbs, which I don't know exactly where to get these specific kind from. But yeah, so these are the two softbox lights that I have on the side of me. And then this is the ring light I use. I don't have a stand for my ring light because I didn't know when I bought it that it didn't come with a stand. So I just sit it down because it does have like a flat surface, so I'm able to just sit it down wherever I want to sit it. And then that is the camera that I use. It's the T6i, like I said, and I have it sitting right behind the ring light so that, you know, to catch all the lighting that's on me. And you know, I have my laptop sitting up here, some of my makeup. Something that I wish I would have did was get a vanity that's not white, because because obviously I do makeup videos and hair videos and stuff, and it gets dirty so fast. Like all this is like makeup stuff. Some of it comes out, some of it doesn't, but it just gets so dirty so fast. I have to clean like literally every day because it gets like any little thing stains it. But yeah, so that's my vanity and what it looks like. When I first started, like a few months ago, the vanity used to be on this wall right here, but I switched it to here just because I had to be too close to the wall and I had it right there. So I switched it right here so that my backdrops could be further away from me. So with this, I actually don't have an actual backdrop stand. So what I use to put my backdrops up, because they are all pretty much fabric anyways, are T-pins, and I just put them into the wall, and then like with these lights I just kind of hook them up here just any old way. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I put all my backdrops right here on this wall. And then these are some of my other backdrops that I use. Y'all probably seen these in my videos. I get all of my backdrops from Walmart. I usually get like a yard of each kind, and that's usually long enough, like wide enough for me. But if you want something longer or wider, then you know, that's your preference. But they cost like around $2-3 per, you know, backdrop that I get. So yeah, this is the clothing rack that I have in here. I don't have all of my clothes in here because this is not my actual bedroom. This is just where I have some of my stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, which is at the Age of Diana, you will see this clothing rack isn't a lot of my pictures. I mean, this is mainly where I take all of my pictures when I am home. I do plan on getting a backdrop stand because I don't want to keep having to like poke holes in like every wall that I have, you know, when I move it around. And it's just easier with a backdrop stand because that way you can adjust it. And that is pretty much the setup that is in here. This is what you guys do not see when I'm recording my videos, but this is everything that I see. So yeah, you can see like how bright it is. I don't even have the room light. I don't have the room light on right now, and it's like, it's super bright in here. So yeah. And in that closet is where I put like all of my extra hair stuff, makeup stuff, you know, wigs, weaves, extra clothes, shoes, anything that doesn't fit in my bedroom closet or in my bathroom is where that's where I put everything at. I don't do my hair and makeup in my bathroom. This room is specifically for when I do my hair and my makeup because I don't like doing my hair in bathrooms and having to stand up. This is the marvelous setup that us YouTubers be having. I feel like it's really important to have a ring light. If you can't get anything else, make sure you try to get a ring light at least, because you need your lighting to be on point when you're doing videos, especially if you're doing makeup videos or hair videos. These two lights right here, they're not necessarily as, you know, important, but they do help add a lot, because when I didn't have these lights at all, my video quality was not as good as they are right now. So now as far as what I used to edit all of my videos, I edit all of my videos on my laptop right here, and I have iMovie on here, and that is what I use to make all of my movies. When I to edit all of my videos, I mean, when I was using my phone, I also was using iMovie, but they had like the phone version and didn't come with as many features as the kind that you have on your laptop would. So I just kept going. I just kept up with the iMovie. I do want to get Final Cut Pro, but y'all know how much Final Cut Pro costs, right? Another app that I use, which is for my editing like my thumbnails and stuff, is PicMonkey. I got the idea from like a bunch of other YouTubers when I was trying to search to see how they edit their thumbnails and how they make their thumbnails look, you know, popping and stuff like that. And it works really good as well. And yeah, so as far as like my setup goes, I do plan on adding way more than this. Like I want more lighting, I want different lights, I want a microphone so that you guys can hear me more clearly, you can hear me better. I know that the sound is pretty good on here right now and the lighting is pretty good right now, but I know that it can be better. I do plan on adding more stuff to my beauty room. I want to decorate it more. I have not decorated at all in here. The only thing I have done in here was pretty much turn this into a studio. And so as you can see from the title, I definitely want to get myself on a better schedule when it comes to my YouTube channel, because when it comes to Instagram, I'm like really active on Instagram. I can post on Instagram literally every day. Like, once again, I'm going to mention, follow me on Instagram at the Asian Diana. I'm going to link my link in the description box so that you guys can keep up with me a little bit better on there, because right now I'm not as consistent on YouTube as I want to be, but I'm going to get myself on a schedule for YouTube. I want to probably post at least 3 or 4 times a week just to keep you guys, you know, just so that you guys can know like when to expect me to post, because I do kind of post a little bit randomly. Like sometimes for a good 2 weeks I'll post like every single day, and then I'll stop for like 2 weeks straight. And I don't want to do that because my channel's not gonna ever get anywhere if I keep doing that. So I'm definitely gonna get myself on a better schedule. You guys can also comment like video ideas that y'all want to see from me. I just ordered new makeup from online, so of course I'm gonna be doing more makeup tutorials. But you guys can definitely give me like more ideas because I'm very busy. Like I don't have all the time in the world to make YouTube videos like I want to. But you guys can help me out a little bit and give me a little bit of ideas or what I could be posting or what kind of stuff that you guys want to see, because that's pretty much why I do the videos anyways, is for y'all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope all of y'all had a very happy new year. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Thank you all for my new subscribers. If you are new here, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Comment and share this video, and I will see you guys on the next video.